Hi there, I'm Florence, and if you frequently write Postgres extensions like I do, then you probably know that the process, although standard, can become tedious at times. So I made this Cookiecutter template to make that process easier. First of all, what is Cookiecutter? It's an open source library that lets you to create software projects from predefined templates, and that saves you time and makes your builds and your software more consistent. So let's see how you can use this particular template. First of all, you'll start by pip installing Cookiecutter like a normal Python package, and then you'll point it to my Cookiecutter template like this. I have already downloaded it, so not much to do there. Then once this is downloaded, the guide will prompt a series of questions that you fill in, and this in turn will fill in the necessary files that are necessary for a Postgres extension. So let's start by setting this as an extension name, my description here, and then most of the other options have same defaults. So you can choose your Postgres major version that you're targeting, and some other metadata used for the control file. I'll use the defaults here. You can change your name, your email, and even change choose an open source license. Now this in turn has created this directory, which looks like this. It has all the necessary files for the Postgres extensions, like a Makefile, a standard README, a control file, SQL, and some other stuff as well. So let's go ahead and create a new GitHub repo out of it. So we'll see that the repo is already created, has gone under my GitHub profile, and let's see what we have here. So we have a README file that includes the very typical installation instruction for extensions. We'll see that the Makefile is here. Then the control file that stores the basic metadata according to the options we said before, it's here as well. And you'll also notice that there is a workflow already running, an action, a GitHub action. You'll see that this installed the extension on a bunch of different Postgres versions on Ubuntu. You'll see here that the process includes cloning the extension, the repository, make install check, which runs the test, and so on. So you'll see that the source file here includes a bunch of functions that you can start to tweak. And actually, let's go on and install this on our machine. You'll see we run make all, make install, and make install check. And then we'll see it in action. The extension we added has one or two functions like this. Right, I haven't created the extension, so I'll have create extension my pgxn, and then I'll try this command again, and indeed it adds 1 to 10, which is 11. You also see here that we have a Docker file already created for us. Also, there is this meta.json file for pgx extension network integration. So the important thing is that we only got through a series of prompts, and this created the whole complete software repository that includes pretty much 80% of the stuff you need, the boilerplate you need for a Postgres extension. So let me know if you find this useful, and if you find any bugs with it or have any ideas, feel free to open up an issue or hit an email. Thanks a lot for watching.